Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about logging out of your Facebook account from all devices on your iOS or Android device. So if you want to sign out of any other sessions that you're presently signed into, in today's tutorial I'm going to have you guys covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Facebook account and you want to select your profile icon in the top right corner to open up the menu here that you see on my screen. And then once you're here, you want to go ahead and select the settings and privacy button. So go ahead and select that. And then there should be a settings button. Go ahead and select that up at the top. Select the see more and account center button up at the top. So go ahead and select that. And then you want to select under account settings where it says password and security. Under security checks, where you're logged in, go ahead and select that. And then it'll tell you all the devices you're presently signed into. So if you go ahead and select this little account button in here, select the select devices to log out button, and then you can check mark all of them or select all and then select log out, and that is all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.